Hi friends, so I'm done installing the drawstring. Then this is how it looks. I'm just going to put it in just a few minutes, and this is how my hair is looking like. Let me just remove these earrings. This is how my hair is looking like. This hairband is from Glam by Ivy, you all know that. And now what I'm going to use is spray bottle which has water. I'm going to use this ORS mousse. This mousse smells so good. I love the how it really smells. And I'm also going to use this nice and lovely styling gel. So in case I use, and also I'm just going to use this leave-in treatment from TCB. In case I use any other product, I'm going to say it at the end of the video. So this is how the hair is looking like, and I'm just going to quickly make it look more slayed and all that stuff. And I just want to go with how the ponytail is looking like, and then I'm just going to do this process while I'm not talking so that the video can be shorter, because I realize like when I'm talking and then I'm doing something maybe styling my hair or something, the video becomes too long and I don't want that. So I just want to lay my hair properly, and I'm going to talk to you when you are putting the hair on the head. Yeah, so, and kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, support your girl. I would really appreciate to see like one of my members and it now grow. So let me do that. Let me do that, and yeah.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
So as we wait for the gel to dry up, as you can see, I've just like put my kitamba, my scarf, and now I've just put my scarf to just let the gel dry up. And this is like the unit that we made, and this is how it looks. This is Mali hair number 1B, and I just used one packet, and I was left with a few strands, like maybe 10 strands. So you can use Mali hair to make, maybe if you want to make a longer hair. That was my intention, but I decided to go with a shorter one because I didn't have enough Mali hair, so that's why mine is shorter. But if you want a longer one, you can just instead of you just like cutting the hair, you just do it as it is. And I love, like, it just looks like someone's real hair. So as we wait for the gel to dry up, I'm just going to brush it a little bit, not that much, just so that it looks a little bit better, if I will say, I may say. Yep. And this is actually my first time creating such a look. I don't know if I apply mousse what it will do to the hair. Let me just try it. This is like a half a pump. Nothing much. I can't see the difference, so I'm just going to let it be. And yeah, so now I think it's been like 10 minutes, and I can feel like the gel and the mousse hasn't dried. But so that I can end this video and we like see if this thing is a fail or a pass, I just want, and I can't find my dryer. But anyway, so this is how my hair is looking like. I didn't do a good job on putting the like in the high puff because I'm recording. I don't know why when I'm recording, like, things doesn't I don't do it perfectly, but when I'm off camera, like, it was naendana. So I'm using this brush, and then like I showed you, I have like this, the first and the second clips, and I'm just going to install it to make a little bun. I hope it's not that big. I don't know if you can see, I'm just securing it. And then I'm just going to take my string and then just tie it around. And then this is how it looks. I'm just going to take, let me just take it from the back. I'm just taking a piece of hair, just to secure it more, and then just taking a bobby pin So this is what we are looking like, but let me just secure this further. So let me just comb it a little bit so that at least can be. So let me put back my earrings. So these are the final result, and my hair hasn't dried completely, and I think I did a pretty good job. And I'm just going to show you the whole look, and this is just the final result. I love it. If you maybe make your own hair extension, kindly tag me on my Instagram page. I'm going to put my handle over here, so go and also follow me if you haven't. Yeah, so this is how the final result is looking like. Yeah, and I'm really happy about it. Let me show you how the back is looking like in just a few minutes. And I think I'm going to create more of the hair extensions, even sell them. So if you want such hair extension, DM me and we can talk business. We can talk business.